National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for west central Mohave County in northwestern Arizona, southeastern Inyo County in south central California, San Bernardino County in southern California, central Clark County in southern Nevada until 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time or 5 p.m. PDT. 3:07 p.m. Mountain Standard in southern Nevada until 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time or 5 p.m. PDT. At 3:07 p.m. Mountain Standard Time or 3:07 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated warning replaces the expired warning. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Hazard time, life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings. Normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Thunderstorms, Mohave City, Boulder City, Laughlin, Searchlight, Prince, G, Beaufort, Southern Highlands, Enterprise, Chino, Green Valley, Mountains Edge, Paradise, Sam Boyd Stadium, The Strip, Spring Valley, Lake Las Vegas, Catherine Landing, and Blue Diamond. Boyd Stadium, The Strip, Spring Valley, Lake Las Vegas, Catherine Landing, and Blue Diamond. Las Vegas, Catherine Landing, and Blue Diamond.